Konnichiwa.
And welcome to another episode of Tsum Tsum Obsessed. Today is the big day where we reveal the winner of our 50 subscriber celebration.
So we've put all of your names in this bag here.
We tried to put it in the plush basket, but it was just way too
many. So thank you everybody for subscribing and commenting, and we love all your comments. So thanks for sharing.
Here we go.
And mix it up. And I'll grab one. Okay, here's the winner. Hold on. The winner is Kenneth Kathleen Life, and their favorite plush was Stitch.
And you like Stitch too.
I do love Stitch.
So, we have a lot of Stitches. We have
Yes, we love all the Stitches.
we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Stitches.
Yeah.
Busy Stitch. So, thank you so much. And
Please email us at zoomobsessed@gmail.com. We'll put it in the bottom here. So keep watching.
yeah, let's get to 100. We're at 81 right now. We're almost to 100. So,
And maybe we'll give away something bigger at 100.
I don't know how much bigger it could be, but
I don't know. Maybe like a large Zoom.
maybe a whole set.
Oh. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.
Yeah, and we'll see you on Tuesday for Tsum Tsum Tuesday.
Maybe like a mega Zoom if we can find one.
No, I'm
That'd
keeping.
be fun to ship.
I want to keep it. If we're getting a mega Zoom, I want it. I'm not giving that away.